Good
Yes.
evening, ma'am.
Very good evening to you, sir. How are you?
Yes. Yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I am also doing great. Thank you for asking.
Yes, yes. Maybe
Okay.
we are meeting second time. Yeah.
Yeah. This is our second meeting. hmm
Yes, yes. And ma'am, how is your practice going on?
Everything is perfect. Not a perfect, good manner I am doing because I having everyone having a lots of responsibility. Still, they are learning and they are very consistent over their learning. But I am not getting the too much time for my learning. But whenever I get the time, so I am just utilize my time in a productive manner. So in this way, I am doing.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So tell me
All
about
right.
yourself.
Yes, my practice is going on very well. And whenever I get free time, I always talk to another people. Yeah. And there is no
Mm-hmm.
problem. And
Okay.
ma'am,
So
first
how
of all,
many
please
hours
introduce
every
yourself.
day? Mm-hmm.
How many hours? Actually, every day there is no fixed time. Whenever I get free time, I always make the video one or two.
Okay, that's great. And I have seen your videos like every day do you upload your video, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
That's great. Good.
All
Okay,
right, ma'am.
so
Before starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves. First of all, please introduce yourself.
okay, thank you for that. So as you know, my name is Nazia. I am from Madhya Pradesh. I have done my master in English literature with a bachelor of education, and by profession I am a teacher, mother of two kids, and my hobby is always gaining lot knowledge, learning something new, and this is my hobby. And currently I'm working on my English fluency and communication skills, and I am a YouTuber too. You know about my channel English with Nazia. That's all.
Yes, it is nice introduction. And may I introduce myself?
Yes, sure. I really want to know about yourself.
Yes. First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal. I am from West Bengal, and by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But right now, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. And apart from also, I'm running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me, and it is my short introduction. And ma'am, you are a teacher
Yes, I am a teacher.
at the government school or private school?
Yes, I have completed my whole study in a government school. And what about you?
Yes, I have completed all study my government school.
Oh, that's great. Good to hear no, you. And right now we are just seeing the people are just sending their kids only private school. They are just avoiding
Yes.
send them in a government school. Why it is happening right now? What is your opinion about that?
Yes, in this time also, I noticed that in our locality, most of the guardian, most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school and and in private school. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
they do not send their child in government school because they are also thinking in the government school. In the government school, the study is not going very well. They are actually who are the teacher of the government school. They are very busy right now in midday meal or election purpose. Yeah, they are census. They are busy
Mm-hmm.
there any kind of activities. But in the government, in the private school, there is no
Mm-hmm.
problem. They are also teach very well. Yeah, that's why also maybe. And ma'am, you, what do you think?
I think so. People are teacher are well educated, very good at government school. I think
Yes,
because they are cracked the government exam that is very difficult because I face the same examination that is very tough
yes,
examination. So this is a no any question any doubt to them they are not very good. They are very good and very well educated and well teacher, I would say. But why they are not performing very well manner at school, what I don't know what is the main reason of behind it. But in a private school, I have seen people are working, teacher are working there, they are not very good. They are good. I'm not saying they are not good. They are very good. They're having a good communication skill. They force themselves to learn English and learn the teaching skill too. And standard also very good. Their facilities also there. Their management system also very good. They just manage their school very good manner. Their people, parents are attracted. They are the teachers and their buildings, their way of talking, their communication, their English, and everything is there. So maybe this is a reason everyone want to give their kids in a very standard life, very good life, and very good teaching. So maybe this reason everyone send their kid in a private school. But right now it is a culture. Everyone sending their kids in a good school, private school. They are not. They are not sending their kids in a government school. Why? Because lack of education material in a government is school. First one is a medium of language. Like they are providing mostly government school is in a Hindi medium, right? And
native language.
any other, yeah, native language. So maybe this is a one major reason of there. And second one thing, facilities are not available. They are like good bathrooms and good teacher. Good, they
Yeah,
are not too much consistent over their teaching skill. They just perform their duty like a duty. They're not taking their responsibility. They just teach for earning purpose. They are just sitting on the chair and just want to earn money and just single lesson to describe and just they want to day that day they getting the salary. And when someone is came to their come to their school, then they just pretend like that we are a very good teacher and this is our very good school. So in this way maybe they are doing like this kind of work. That's why parents are thinking this is not good school and atmosphere, because everyone sending their kids in a private school. So private school get the advantage of a good atmosphere, good surrounding. Every good student are there. That's why they're getting the good result from there. So if we talk about our time, so our time every parents send their kids in a government school. So every good student at a government school that time.
yes, yes.
So yeah, so we get a good atmosphere. Our surrounding, there is no poor and rich. There we are very equally. We did our schooling very perfect manner. There is no like showing off like money show. No, this is very normal. That was very normal that time. So maybe that was a issue is there. But if a
Yes, yes.
government give their attention towards school and everything, education especially, so everything will be good sometime after.
And government also, there in the government school there is no fee. Yeah, there is no fee. But
Yeah,
in private school there is a high fee, and
high fees.
government also, yes, government provide the bags, shoe, and books. Yeah, it is also totally free. But in the private school, there is a, you have to purchase from this school, from that school. Yeah, and that time also you have to pay a high money. Yeah, but apart from also, I observed that most of the people they are sending their child in English medium school. Yeah, or private school.
Yeah. This, I think this time it's become a little bit of fashion like that. Everyone want to give their kids in a very good school and good surrounding. Everyone want to spend their money at the education. That's why they're sending their kids in a very reputed. And some family are there. Standard, okay, I related to I having enough money, we are having a good social image. That's why we send our kids our homes and school our kids only when go this school. So in this way they are thinking like that. I'm maybe this was also This is also a reason for sending. But everyone want to, as a parents, I would like to send my kids in a private school. There everything is good facilities, good teacher. They are just giving their whole attention to my kids. They want to just improve my personality. They encourage them doing something, doing their every aspect of life, not for their studying, everything, every participating or every competition and everywhere. So this is also doing going on right now our society.
And another thing, I noticed that in all in my locality, who are doing the job in government school, who is a teacher in government school, and they are also sending their child in a private school. Yes,
Yeah, correct, correct,
but
right.
they are also good at as a teacher. Yeah, but they are also sending their child in private school. I noticed that in our locality it
Mm,
is happening.
mm.
Yeah.
Everyone sending their kids in a private school right now, and having enough sources of income. Definitely, they will send their kids in a very reputed and highly paid school, because of they know what kind of facility they are provided to their kids. They are giving all the facilities, all the platform are available. They are singing, dancing, learning something new skills in English and communication skills, stage performance, how to talk, gaming, football, everything. If you want to do something, make the your kids not for only study. They focused every aspect of our life. That would be one reason they send their kids that school particular. I think study is not important, very much important. Every aspect of life, that is very important. Some are very good at study, so do focus on them people that student only study, but they are not taking the interest over the study. If they are taking the interest only singing, so just provide them singing material. Study is also important, but always just make ready to do study and make the balance for both things. So in this way they can improve their life. And they are not good at study, and you are just forcing them do a study. So children become irritated, and anger issues they have the face the problem like that. So don't force them too much for doing that much things.
And I noticed another thing, and in village area, in our country, in village area, there are lots of government school. Yeah, and when I was starting in my primary school, and at that time there were 120 students. Yeah,
Yeah,
100
yeah,
plus 120
100
students in the
plus.
school. But right now only 35 or 40 maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, government just close the that school in a primary school, and they just convert the school in a like Ekikarat school, like that is work is going on, because they're not getting the good student number of a student in a government school, because everyone
Yeah.
want to send their kids in a private school. They want to make their future in a bright. That's why.
Yes, yes, you're right.
Yeah.
Actually,
So I think management system work a lot here. Without management system, no one can. Teacher will not teach in a proper manner. If you want to work over the government school, you have to make that one management system. He always putting their eyes how they are performing, how the student are performing. Always. In this way, teacher will be aware of checking process, and student will be aware. Because if I will not good study, so what will be result will be come on my eyes. So in this way, if people get the result and good atmosphere, so maybe improve sometime after. But in a private school, everyone is very aware to every each and every student. If parents come to school, and principal and the class teacher and subject teacher, everyone is aware for that. So it
yes,
happening
yes.
because of the management. My daughter also, when I my daughter goes in a government school, that is Kendri Vidyalaya. So
Oh,
that is very amazing school. Yeah, because of their management system is very aware of their government teacher. but they're having a very good. I think they are very best teacher of my locality, because they cracked the very toughest exam, so there is no doubt
Yes.
of their ability. So yes, their government, that's why they're not some fear of losing their job. That's why they sometime they procrastination their work and their duty, but they are very good, I think so. So because of their management system is very good in a Kendriya Vidyalaya. So best result
Ma'am,
I am getting from there. Every activity
mm,
she performed, like yoga, dancing, singing, and
yes, yes.
yeah, stage performance, like that is everything is going on very well manner there.
Yes. And ma'am, in your state, there is a Kendra Vidyalaya also, and it is a English medium or a native language medium, Hindi medium
It is English medium all over the India. Kendriya Vidyalaya is English medium.
in English medium. Yes.
Yeah, center government school, that is. So they provided the same syllabus to every state, same syllabus.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
not this is not a state government under of a state government. It is a center government under.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I actually in my state, I noticed that in my village and another village, and there is a few teacher. Yeah, there are few teacher in the school, and they are also busy in another activities. And that, right now midday meal and
Mhm.
election work. Yeah, and they have to the censor. Have to do censors. Yeah, they are busy right now. These activities, and that's why also they did not come regular basis in the school. Yeah, that's why also the government school is right now not working very well. Yeah.
Mhm. Not midday meal is not a big deal, or not a like other activities also not a big deal, because I have worked in a private school. There is a huge number of work they gave to every teacher, because they're having a
Yes.
fear to lose their job, because that is also very repetitive school. So every teacher want to become a teacher such a school, right? So
Yes.
having fear of losing the job, every teacher do perform their duty in a proper manner. Lots of responsibility, calling to the parents and talking the parents, and if you having the any problem at in your class, you have to manage everything. So this kind of responsibility of every class teacher. And apart for that, they gave your responsibility, this work is going on, this month is going on, you have to perform like that. And which how many students, which they are good, they are which area they are very good, tell me this kind of information you have to just collect all the time. Your management system want to as a class teacher from you. So it is
Yes.
very
Yes. You are right.
difficult and very challenging. It is not easy to become a private teacher at a school. Very hard work. And apart for that, you have to work over your communication skills, your teaching skills. You have to try everywhere. You have to become a perfect manner. If you do minor mistake in your blackboard, so student go their home and parent check that mistake and call to the principal ma'am. Principal ma'am call to you and talk about that matter. Why do you write that kind of things? And sometime do your work, blackboard work, upload that picture on the group of the class, because some students not good at writing fast writing. So if you will upload that picture on the group, so they can complete their class work at their home. So this kind of
Yes.
activity, this is very dangerous sometime. If you do little minor mistake, we are human, that's why sometimes we did this kind of mistake. But if you do,
Yes.
so they just complain to you, ma'am, you did this kind of wrong mistake, never do again. So
Yes. Actually, in the private
yeah,
school there is a discipline. Yeah, but in the government
yeah,
school there is no discipline.
no
Yeah.
discipline. But I have remembered my teacher, my principal sir. That time I was in a high school. That was an amazing teacher and amazing staff. That was I never forget his name. That was C.K. Sarma sir. He was amazing. I don't know he is alive or no more. I don't know. But he is very nice guy. Very punctual person. He is very like manner to like equally treated to everyone.
Yes.
No, very well disciplined, always set to in a proper manner, take the assembly every starting the school and end of the school in our native language. That time not awareness of the English, they take the assembly in a morning, morning time punctual for the timing, and end of the school they take he took like assembly. It's very good. I love a lot that kind of teacher, staff, and principals because he is very good at management. Managing, I said, na, management is very important. Without
Yes. Yes.
management, how you can imagine any organization perform well manner? Management play
Yes.
a better role everywhere.
But in government school, there is a good teacher actually giving the
Yeah,
examination. He got it, and right now also, and 20 lakhs and 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs students they have the examination. But after
yeah.
giving the examination, they have selected. That's also they are brilliant. They are brilliant teacher right now. Yeah, an
Mm.
educated teacher. But in the right now also most of the guardian they are sending their child in private
Mm.
school.
Yeah, we talked in from the rural area this kind of activities doing, but if you talk about the city, there is very excellent work is doing going on in a government school too. I have seen some schools very excellent teacher are there, very good management system is
Yes.
also there. They are working very good, and any student not getting the good seat from there because they're having a limited seat. So yeah,
Yes.
it is very difficult to secure that seat from there in a government school. So in a
Yes.
rural, it's kind this kind of activities is going on, but in a city area, good area, everything is perfect.
Yes. You are right, ma'am. All right. We are talking about 20 minutes. It was nice
Yeah.
conversation with you. Yeah. I have learned a lot of things from you. Yeah. All right, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay.
Have a
Thank you
good day.
so much. Thank you so much having me, and I enjoy a lot. I learn a lot from yours. So thank you. Bye bye.
All right. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.